Hey everyone, welcome back to ETX channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a song on Spotify. So let's begin. First of all, open your Spotify application. Now from your homepage or from your playlist, select any song that you want to download. So as you can see the download button, click on it. So you cannot download a song unless you are a premium member on Spotify. So being a regular member, you cannot download it. You can play the song or rather add to your library by clicking on this plus button, but unless you pay and become a premium member, you cannot download any songs from Spotify. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps you.